From time to time, you may need to create your Trello cards with information from another app you use every day. And most likely, you need to do that manually. Import to Wizard offers a solution to create your cards directly from multiple popular cloud apps. In this video, I will use Hubspot Tasks as an example. I have created a testing board and named lists as task statuses exactly as they are named in Hubspot: not started, in progress, waiting, completed, and deferred. So my cards will show in specific lists. If you don't have an Import to Wizard account, you can register one and try it for free. After you log in, you need to select App-to-App Import from your dashboard. This feature will import your data into Trello and create cards. First, you select an app you import from. As I mentioned before, for this video I will use Hubspot, but you can create cards from other cloud apps. If you don't have Trello connected, press +sign to add a Trello connection. You will be asked to select a board. On the next step, use drop-down menus to select data fields in an app you import from and a corresponding field on Trello cards. This is called mapping. I start with the mapping of task subject to card name. Please note that list is required field to map, and I will map task status in Hubspot to list in Trello. Then I map task body to card's description. And after I am finished with the mappings, I press Start for import to continue. Once the import is completed, you will see the full list of created cards with imported data and links to open them in Trello. This is how you can create cards in Trello based on data in another app using Import to Wizard in a few simple steps.